Welcome to week 4 of St. Supery's Sustainable Seafood Cooking Demo. Week 4's recipe is a grilled salmon with a strawberry salsa. So we're going to put the salsas together first, and then I'll take you out to the grill and show you how to grill the salmon. This recipe calls for a pound of strawberries. They're hulled and chopped fine. I'm using a Louisiana Ponchatoula strawberry, which they're very popular here and delicious. If you know of a local berry farm, definitely go check them out. It's a great way to spend an afternoon, pick your own berries, and you come home with some great product and you know you're supporting a local farmer. To this, we are going to add a quarter of an onion. In the recipe, it calls for a purple onion. I did not have a purple onion, so I'm using a sweet Vidalia. Cut your onions how you like. If you want to use a whole onion, if you like it oniony, do that. I particularly don't like a lot of onion in my salsa, so I only went with a quarter of the onion. So that goes in. Then the recipe calls for a half of a cucumber. Unfortunately, myself and several people in my family are allergic to cucumber, so I'm going to substitute it with an apple, using a Honeycrisp apple. This would also work well with, if you want to use celery, could be great. Just find something that has a mild flavor that's got some crunch to add to your salsa. So this whole apple is going to go in. Then for a little heat. Recipe calls for serrano. I actually had a jalapeno growing in the garden, so I finally diced the jalapeno. I took my seeds and ribs out just because my family doesn't like a lot of heat, but I still wanted to give it a little bit of kick. So if you take the seeds and the ribs out, it won't be as hot. So a full jalapeno, diced very fine, goes in. Then some fresh basil, also from my garden. Feel free to use any herb you like. Parsley would be great in this. Also cilantro you could use as well. I just think the basil complements the strawberries really well, so some chopped basil. I had about 5 to 6 leaves. Again, if you like basil, add more. So that goes in. And last but not least, our lime juice. This is 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice. You could use lemon juice as well, just calls for lime. Put that in. We're gonna mix this all up. Okay, you're gonna put your salsa in your fridge for at least 30 minutes. You can sit in the fridge a little bit longer. Then I'm going to take you outside and show you how to grill the salmon. So we're outside on the grill. See, we've got our salmon, some beautiful fillets. We've salt and peppered them and added some olive oil. Chef Todd recommends to heat your grill to high. Make sure you clean it off. Then you're going to turn it down to about a medium, and we're going to brush some vegetable oil on the grates just so that it doesn't stick. You might see a little bit of flame up, that's okay. Okay, so we brushed on the oil. Now we're going to add our salmon. Chef recommends putting it skin side up first, which I've never heard before, but we'll try it. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're going to sit those there. He recommends 3 minutes, and then we'll flip them. Okay, 3 minutes are up. We're gonna flip these guys. Woo, got a little bit of stickage, but that's okay. Oops. Okay, and we're going to shut this, and we're going to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes depending on how you like your salmon. I like mine cooked a little bit more, but if you want it a little more on the rare side, go less. Okay, so we've let our salmon cook to how we like it. I like mine a little bit more done. So we're going to take these off. And then we'll take you inside to plate. So our salmon is done. We're pairing it with some rice pilaf. Feel free to serve this with a salad or some of your favorite veggies. Take our salsa. Do a nice topping on that. And we're going to add a little bit of feta cheese. So now our dish is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. Also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Also, we have a blog, broodandboostfood.com. We'll cook with you soon.